Bjorkman, and I'm a professor at the California Institute of Technology. We do research at the interface between chemistry and biology, and what we study is how viruses and bacteria and other microbes get inside your body to infect them. And what I wanted to talk to you about today was how evolution is involved in that process, and basically why we think evolution is very important to understand. So when you get infected by a virus or a bacterium, there's basically a war going on inside your body where the virus wants to multiply or the bacteria wants to multiply, and your immune system wants to keep it back down. Now what happens is that we as humans have evolved over millennia to actually have specific cells, and those cells have particular receptors that will get rid of the virus or kill it or sequester it or some way make it so that it can't infect you and make you sick. Now the virus then is evolving inside our bodies to get around that immune system. And if you look at the genes inside viruses, sometimes they steal long stretches of genes from their host, and other times they have mimics of genes in their host. So basically, viruses have this tremendous chance to evolve inside of people, that is their hosts, so that they can get around an immune system. So a successful virus would be something like influenza virus. That changes every year. So what it does is it mutates. It makes a lot of different forms of itself. Most of these are completely useless, that is, they're defective viruses. But out of the millions and millions of viruses that it makes, one or a few of those will be better, and those will go on and multiply and infect other people. That is evolution at work. So basically, the viruses make millions of copies of themselves. Most of them are worse. They're making random mutations, random changes. They don't know beforehand what's good or what's bad. The best ones will win out, and those will go on and infect. In the same way, people have evolved, but over a much slower time scale, so that they made some changes in their immune system to keep up with particular viruses, and other changes that were actually worse. And the changes that were beneficial gradually win out. So in a nutshell, that's an example of evolution at play in your body that goes on all the time. And so I think we need to understand this because viruses, well, bacteria in particular, are able to mutate to get around antibiotics. It's another example of evolution. We need to understand this so that we can develop drugs that will actually get around bacteria's incredible ability to evolve quickly to get around the drugs we use today. Thank you.